So now to a short one, and this should have been, you know, in the variables lecture, but I missed it and I want to tell you about it because I think it's important even in a crash course. So this one is going to be about single vs double quotes. I just created my file right here. Okay, and basically the difference is, actually let me just create a variable first. Let me call that variable, you know, str, short for a string, and let me call it normal string, just right there. So the difference is when you try, let me start with single quotes first. The difference is when we try and output this one right here, you know, in our single quotes, let me say, actually let me just try and echo it out. You know, I don't need to echo out anything, just the variable. So I just I want to echo out this variable right there, and let me just you know, let me see what will the result will be. So I'm here in my Chrome, and you can see, and you can see right there, here is the result. So the single quotes will just, you know, will print out just the string itself. It will not print out the actual variable. On the other hand, if we try this, the double quotes version, it will print out the variable itself, and this is called the second condition. It's called you know, variable interpolation. So the single quotes will only print out the actual string that's taken, or that's in you know, that's inside it, but the single quotes will print out the actual, you know, the actual value of this variable. And let me add any text right here. Here is my, you know, here is my, and it will be, here is my normal text. It will take this as a text, but when it comes here to the $sign and anything that followed by it, if it's of course, you know, a variable name, it will parse this out and echo out the actual value of the string. Let me just echo out a br right there. And there you go, here is my normal string. So this is basically the difference between them. I just think it's really important, you know, that you know it. And this is it for this one.